At Brozo, we use the Mechanical and Metal Trades Handbook, and we use it because it is our apprentice's guide to what mechatronics is when dealing with automated systems. In the book, there are tags that give you, for instance, drilling, how to set the correct feeds and speeds for the type of material that you have, as well as the size of the drill. Or if you're going to a production line and you need to understand why a blueprint or a schematic is the way it is for, let's say, pneumatics, you would go to the pneumatic section, and then in the pneumatic section you have a quick reference to really show you how to use the book the best way possible. So it is segregated up in different sections of the book, which make it easy to find and easy to reference when you're trying to do different things inside of the book for machining or machine elements. We give this book and our electrical engineering handbook to our apprentices on their first day. This is their go-to handbook to use throughout the rest of their career. Our apprentices use this book as a reference way beyond graduation. I encourage them, as you can see here from this apprentice's handbook, to flag things that are important to them that they use on a daily basis. This is our electrical engineering handbook. Our apprentices use this for going through electrical schematics for maybe circuits and symbols that they're not familiar with on a daily basis. This book also has things like resistor color code, circuits and symbols that they're not familiar with, as well as other various small circuits that they don't encounter on a daily basis. They can use the books and the examples in the formulas so they can refresh themselves on how to do the equation the right way.